Hi everybody, it's Gigi, that's Tootie, and welcome to Gigi's Toys and Collectibles. Today we're opening up these My Little Pony figures. These are the Squishy Pops Series 4. I've never opened these before, but we're going to see what we get. We have 10 to open today. You guys ready? Let's see what we get here. So they all come in this little purple little plastic container. Just a little lightweight plastic. Let's see. Oh. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. I wonder if we got something special because this looks amazing. I don't know what I was expecting, but it's like clear plastic. This moves a little bit. Oh, and there's the bottom. So I wonder if I take this black part off. Oh, it's got little wings. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Okay, let me see if there's a checklist. Okay, so it looks like there's 24 ponies to collect. And no, I think we got this one. Maybe. But it doesn't look like there are any more rare ones than the others. So that is a good start. And let me take this off. Look at that. It is a little bit squishy. Oh, okay, so I don't think it pops back up. It's just you can stick them wherever you want, and they stick with the little suction cup on the bottom. So cool. Okay. All right. I'm gonna love these. I already know. Oh my goodness, you guys. Too excited for these. This one is awesome. These, like, the little tail hair is fluffy, like flocked. Look at how detailed these are for being so tiny. I'm so impressed. And they're all gonna have the little suction cup at the bottom there. So cool. Okay, here we go. Oh, we got a new one, and this one is awesome. This is just a clear plastic in like a little light purple. Look at these. My goodness, they're gonna be so cute. Suction cup to anything. Okay. Wow, we're getting so lucky. This one is like a peachy color. Very cute. I like the I like the clear ones, but look how much more detailed this one looks. You know? Okay. Oh my gosh. You guys, look at this little pony. Oh, it is so adorable. Okay. All right. So cute. I got these from the same eBay seller that I get a lot of my toys. So I wonder if he's got more of these. Oh, a new one, another new one. This one looks like it almost reminds me of like syrup. Does that look like syrup to you? Or maybe I just want something sweet. Y'all know my sweet tooth has been kicking in lately. Adorable. I like this one's got like a little curl in the front of the hair. Okay. Let's hope we get another unique one. And we did! Okay, this one's awesome. It's like white and purple. The white and purple tail is so cute. This one is so cool. Okay, here we go, here we go. Wow, is this a duplicate? Oh, it is. It's our first duplicate. Okay, not bad. Not bad. These all say the same thing. I think I told you guys that. Maybe, maybe not. Is this a new one? We got a new one. Oh my gosh, we got a new one. And it's blue. I know who I'm giving this to. Look at the tail. That looks so cute. It almost looks like a curly tail. Okay, this one is adorable. It's beautiful. I love blue. Last one of the video, you guys. Can we get a unique one? I think so. I think so. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. We did! We did get a unique one. And it looks like a variant of the blue one we just opened back here. Because they have the same little cutie mark, but it's the like clear see-through. Very fun. Can you see that? Look how fun that is together. All right, you guys, it's that time in the video. It's time for us to pick favorites. Which one do you think Tootie's gonna pick as his favorite? I think Tootie's gonna go with this cool one. This first little purple and gray one that we got. Good pick, Tootie. There you go now. And for my favorite, I have to go with this first blue one that we got. It's so detailed and so cute. What about you guys? Which one was your favorite? Let Tootie and I know in the comments down below. Please subscribe before you go if you haven't already. It helps me create more fun content for you. I put out new videos every Monday and Thursday, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.